They're rough and they're tough, and they take a battering. Good suspension dampers can make the difference between a World Rally car handling like a $600,000 rocket or a $50 wheelbarrow. And with the rugged stages of Sardinia on the horizon, a smooth ride is essential. OMV's Manfred Stoll takes up the story.
In Sardinia, basically, it's very important because the road is very tight, there's no space for any mistake. Also, you have the problem that there's some deep holes sometimes, and you break very easy the suspension, and that's why you also, for safety, you change the suspension.
So with Sardinia set to test dampers to the max, how are they actually constructed?
Yeah, here we see the bracket which is fitted to the upright. This is a very important part because that has to be very strong. Here just bleeding the air out when the damper is going in. Here we have to save the damper from the dust. It's like a cover. Then we come to the spring blade which hold the spring in position. You can adjust the right height of the car also. Here the spring, we have different one. It makes a harder or softer one. The yellow one is a harder one, the blue one is a softer one. And but you have much more of this, and every driver chooses his own one. Then we come up to the top mount. Here is fitted to the body shell. Yeah. And then we have the pipe to the gas and oil cylinder, where oil and gas is inside.
A WRC car's suspension is over 10 times more rigid than a standard road car, meaning the dampers can absorb the huge forces generated on rough terrain.
You have shims in the suspension inside with holes which says how quickly the oil should go through the to the holes, yeah. And if you make it smaller or bigger, then it is like you adjust your suspension. And the gas basically and the oil has to be in a cooler conditions all the time, otherwise you have an overheating damper.
Before a damper even makes it onto a World Rally car, it's tested extensively and constructed from a variety of metals.
Here we're talking from steel, but everyone has different material. Here this is aluminium, this is a special spring steel, and there again we have aluminium. So basically the strong parts is in steel, and the one which is not so important is made in aluminium.
Although each damper costs over $1,000, frequent changes in service are a part of staying competitive.
Okay, in Greece or in Cyprus you change on every service just for safe. But normally on a rally it's not so important to change on every service. But when you're not confident you change more. I am happy to don't see the bills of these things.